Good morning, friends. It's Friday, June 9th. I hope you had a great day yesterday. I know that people who have my trading zone calculator certainly had a great day yesterday. I'll get to that in a minute. But looking at the economic calendar, nothing is scheduled today, so we'll move over to the morning news. Dow futures are down slightly. S&P futures are in the green. Nasdaq in the green. So carrying over from yesterday, or following over from yesterday, things might be looking up, and I'm going to show you why in the terms of candlestick reading in just a moment. So moving over to the S&P E-mini chart, this is my 3-minute chart. There are 3 points between each horizontal line on this chart, and this is the price action yesterday versus my estimation based on the Taylor trading calculator, where prices opened just about at the low end of the calculator, traded right up exactly and met the resistance at 43.04 toward the end of the day. So it was a great day all in all for people who have this information. Where will the market trade today? Now, I want to go over to the S&P candle, and I'm going to go over to the daily S&P candle and just give you a little bit of an insight based on the big picture. Just scroll this down. And looking at the big picture of the S&P, I want to call your attention to the last several candles right over here, okay, right over here. Now, as you can see, prices moved up over the last week, and they are basically, you see where we are, 42.96. And when's the last time they were this high? Let me trace back to right over here. It was August of last year, August of 2022. So it's almost 10 months, or it's actually 10 months since the S&P has been this high. Congratulations, you long-term traders. You're getting your money back. So as I said a bit earlier, I want to call your attention to why I think the market may go higher today. And I want to call your attention to the last two candles here. The last two candles, you'll note the last two candles form a pattern that should be familiar to you if you remember your candlestick patterns. This is called a bullish engulfing pattern. But is it really? Actually, this bullish engulfing pattern, to be a true bullish engulfing pattern, which of course would indicate prices moving higher, this last candle would have had to fully engulf the previous candle, including the shadow, including the wick, and it does not. It misses by about one tick. So it certainly looks like a bullish engulfing pattern, but okay, so let's go over to the chart. Now, I want to look at the one-day chart, or rather the one-day charts of the E-mini. Here we go. We are just about a little after 9 a.m. This is where prices closed on Thursday at 42.97, and prices are trading just about flat. Will they go up? Will they go down? Well, I have my Taylor trading zone drawn out on this chart, although I'm not displaying it here. And I want to call your attention to something very important. The E-mini contract switches from the June to the September contract. The rollover date is Monday, June 12th. And today we're trading the June contract, ESM 2023. And on Monday, we roll over to the ESU 2023, U being the designation for the September contract. And you'll notice that they diverge. The September contract is trading 43.45 and the June contract 43.01. What's going on? There's 45 points difference between these two contracts. And look at the S&P. The S&P is 42.93, which is somewhere closer to the June contract. And then there's the ES1, which is the Bloomberg designation of the E-mini in the nearby month, the nearest month. And that's trading at the same price level as the ESU, the September contract. Remember, the Bloomberg contract, the continuous contract, trades at the same number as the closest contract going forward, which is the September contract. So that matches the September contract. Now, our prices, now for those of you who have the Taylor trading zone, the trading zone is going to be based on the averages of the last several days. So the numbers that it's going to display for you are the numbers from the previous week of the ESM. So if you trade the ESU, it's not going to be accurate. Although I think prices are going to trade higher today based on the bullish engulfing pattern that I showed you earlier. Anyway, that's my video for today. Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.